Hello, good afternoon, everyone. So today is Wednesday. It's time for our English 2. So for our English 2, we're going to our next topic. Our next topic will be Unit 14, Getting Around. So here, we're going to talk about opposites and different kinds of transportation that we can use here in Thailand. Okay, transportation. So first, we need to have our vocabulary words. So we have number one. We have here, number one, cheap. Cheap. This shirt is cheap. This shirt is cheap. So the meaning is here. Okay? Next, number two, we have expensive. Expensive. Those shoes are expensive. Those shoes are expensive. Number three, journey. Journey. It is a long journey. It is a long journey. Number four, quite. Quite. This book is quite expensive. This book is quite expensive. Number five, transport. Transport. Planes are the fastest transportation. Planes are the fastest transport. Again, planes are the fastest transport. So, if you don't know the meaning in Thai, it's here on the top. Okay? So, we have number one, cheap, expensive, journey, quiet, and transport. Okay? So, next, we have here opposites. What is opposite? So I will give pictures so that you can easily identify it, okay? So first we have here the elephant and the mouse, okay? So we have here big and small. Yeah, that's right. So we have big and small. Now we're going to make a sentence. Elephant is big. Again, elephant is big. Next, mouse is small. Again, mouse is small. So we have big and small. Next. Ooh, what's that? What do you think is that? Okay, so we have old and new. Again, we have old and new. The brown house is old. Again, the brown house is old. Next, the white house is new. The White House is new. So we have old and new. Next. Wow, the rabbit and the turtle. So we have here fast and slow. Again, fast and slow. Let's make a sentence. That's right. Rabbit is fast. Again, rabbit is fast. How about turtle? Turtle is slow. Turtle is slow. So we have fast and slow. Next, expensive and cheap. Okay, so we have car and bicycle. Expensive and cheap. The car is expensive. Again, the car is expensive. Next, we have the bicycle is cheap. Again, the bicycle is cheap. So we have expensive and cheap. Cheap or expensive. Next, wow, giraffe and the cat. So we have tall and short. Again, tall and short. Giraffe is tall. Giraffe is tall. Cat is short. Cat is short. Okay, so we have tall and short. So again, those are the different kinds of opposites. Okay, so we have, again, we have tall and short, expensive and cheap, slow and fast, old and new, and then the last one, big and small. Okay, big and small. So next, so we are going to talk about the different kinds of transportation. Transportation, it means that you are in one place and then you are going to another place. What kind of transportation you can use here in Thailand, okay? So first we have, whoa, I like this. So this is the first time that I rode in Bangkok. I rode in tuk-tuks, okay? So we call this tuk-tuk. okay, are fast and fun. Yeah, that is fun. They are good for short journey. So short journey only, not for 1 hour, 2 hours. It's only for maybe 5 to 10 minutes like that. Okay, so short journeys only. So next, oh, the boats. Okay, boats are great for visiting islands when you are at the beach. Yeah, that's right. Because here, sometimes in the north part of Thailand, there are many beaches, right? So there are a lots of boats. So from one island, you can go to another island by boat, okay? Not by car, not by train, but by boat, because you are going to travel onto the sea, okay? So next we have the taxis here. So we have here taxis. The taxis here in Thailand are very colorful. They have different kinds of colors. You can find taxis in big cities. They are fast, but they are quite expensive. Again, you can find taxis in big cities. They are fast, but they are quite expensive. Yeah, that's right. The taxis are only in the big cities. For example, here, only in Bangkok, right? In Nakhon there is no taxi. But sometimes they have. But it's expensive. It's quite expensive. But they are fast. So next we have buses are cheap and you can find them everywhere in Thailand. That's right. Everywhere in Thailand there are buses. There are different kinds of bus stations, right? Different places, different bus stations. So from this one, you can use this kind of transportation in long journey. Okay? Maybe 6 hours, 12 hours, you can travel by bus. Next we have, what's that? Trains are good for long journey. They are cheaper than planes and much slower. This kind of transportation, cheaper, but they are slow. Because they will stop in every station. Okay? They will stop in every station. But they are cheap. If you want to travel cheaper by using plane, so you can travel by train. So next, oh, this one. Planes are the fastest transport, but they are expensive. They are good for long journey. Yeah, for example, you are going to other place. For example, you are in Bangkok and then you are going to south, like Krabi or Phuket. So you can travel by 1 hour, only 1 hour or 1 hour and 12 minutes. But if you are going to travel by bus, it will take you for 12 hours, I think, 8 to 12 hours like that. So if you want to have a short journey, so you can use plane, okay? The long journey will be shorter, okay? For example, by bus, 10 hours, but if you're going to use plane, it will become 1 hour and 30 minutes like that. Okay, so that's the different kinds of transportation. We have planes, trains, buses, taxis, boats, and tuk-tuks. So those are the different kinds of transportation here in Thailand. So for your activity today, activity time, answer your book on page 83, 84, and 85. Again, page 83, 84, and 85. Take a photo and send it into our line group. Do not forget to write your name and number. If you forgot or if you did not understand the lesson, you can watch it again. Okay? So while reading or listening to my video, you can start answering your book. Okay? So it will be easier for you. So that's our lesson for today about opposites and transportation. So always remember, wash your hands, wear your mask when you go outside, and observe social distancing. Goodbye everyone. Enjoy your day. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.